So this is what you get when you decide to flux core weld inside of the crank webs. Lots of tiny pieces of spatter everywhere. Even though I covered up this area with some rags, it managed to get in there. So now I'm using this small screwdriver to punch off each single one. I won't be able to reach inside the balancing holes, so or reach everything that's left in there. So, but I'm going to fill those with epoxy to encapsulate what I can't reach. Here you can see how the welding turned out. Not pretty, but not that bad either. I'm kind of surprised. Here too. So just have to grind it flush here and on the other side, and clean this up, and then clean the inside, or file or grind down the inside too. Just make everything flush again, and we can start reassembly. Speaking of ugly, I was just shooting some spots on here. Didn't really care, because I just want to get it done so I could start checking the trueness. But yeah, it's not a problem really. Okay, thanks for watching.